Hey guys, Darren here, aka the Six Figure Dad. Thanks for being here once again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that link below. I would really appreciate your support so I can grow this channel and keep bringing little tips and tricks to you. Today is very, very quick, okay? I just want to make you aware of the current situation with Roadmap 3.0 because there's a massive upgrade coming. You might have heard of it, you might not have. But Roadmap 3.0 is already the best course you're going to find online for beginners to get into digital marketing, affiliate marketing. Okay, it is. In my opinion, it's the best. I thought I knew a fair bit about the industry until I bought this course beginning of the year. It is an amazing, amazing education and one that you'll always have access to. What's happening, what they've kindly done for us is allowed people who want to buy Roadmap 3.0 now before the 23rd of August, 10 PM, probably Central Standard Time. If you buy Roadmap 3.0 before that date, you'll be grandfathered into the brand new Roadmap exclusive course for no additional cost. And that course is going to be a higher price point. Okay, so if you've been looking at this, don't sit on the fence any longer because this is the best course you're going to find. I just want to point something out. So what you want to be doing is making sure that you're not just buying it from someone who's just bought the course to resell the course. As you can see on the screen here, if I show you, I've completed 100% of this course myself. And here's my certificate to prove it. Okay, that's my certificate. I recently completed it because I went through a lot of the training when I first purchased it, everything I needed to get the system up running, everything I felt I needed to grow my business. And then I've just covered off certain elements this past week, such as creating my own products because I want to go through that training again. So I've been learning those skills, which has completed the course for me. So I've completed this course now and can say hand on heart, it is a fantastic education. And the new course is going to be, there's going to be more modules. It's going to be a different way of presenting the actual trainings. Okay, so it's going to be more like more video interaction from the creators. It's going to be amazing, and it's going to be an affiliate style program, which is going to pay us as resellers 80% commission. Now that's unheard of, okay, in affiliate marketing. Why that's good for beginners is because you don't have to worry about creating Stripe payment links or PayPal links of your own to add to a website. You don't have to worry about that with Roadmap's exclusive program. They're going to handle all of that on the back end for you. So all you have to do if you want to promote Roadmap exclusive is simply send your traffic to an affiliate link. They, of course, that goes into your opt-in page. Then that goes to a sales page, which takes them to the payment page that Roadmap will handle for you. And then they will pay you out directly. So the benefit of getting in now that before August 23rd, 10 PM, is that you get both courses just for the one price of Roadmap 3.0. I'll quickly fly through this for you because this was really just to let you know about the updates. Okay, because that date has just been extended so we can reduce that time period between obviously when people cannot be grandfathered into the new course launching. So as you'll see, I mean, I'll open up the side panel actually because it'll probably give you a bit of a better idea of what's included. Okay, so as you can see, it's a fantastic setup. Looks really, really professional. But if you go down here, obviously stage 1 foundations, those are the modules there. And if I open them up, of course, it just expands what's actually in that module as well. I mean, some of these foundational lessons are amazing. Understanding your niche is so important, okay, and being able to brand you as the business owner, so you're not promoting somebody else. You're not promoting somebody else's business. You're promoting you, and you're developing your skills so you can actually create a brand that is going to be sustainable. Because people buy people who they know, like, and trust, and so you've got to be building that connection with your audience. There's no better way of learning how to do that than the Roadmap 3.0. If you're coming into this industry completely new, this is where you want to be starting, okay? So take a look at this information, guys. It's absolutely stacks of it. I don't want to go through it all and bore you, but just take it from me. This is the best course you're going to find for beginners, right? Stage 2 is all your automations. And my 10K launch guide, let me see if I can get that for you. Okay, here it is. My 10K launch guide, just here for you. I'm going to give you this as well. Let me just get rid of that. Or maybe not. There you go. Okay. So yeah, so here's my 10K launch guide. I'm going to give you that, okay, when you get the roadmap from me. But what obviously the course itself is just pretty amazing. But my 10K launch guide is going to help you speed up the process. Driving your traffic, okay. I mean, there's modules there on that, 9 modules there on that. And then you go to building your offer. Okay. So the one I've recently gone through myself is, I've gone through these stage 4 modules actually. So the idea, market ready, the product, that's what I've gone through. Creatives with Canva, how to build a written digital product. That's what I was going through this week to finish off the 100% of the coursework. So you can see I'd pretty much done it all anyway. I just wanted to finish off and get that all confirmed before I came to you guys and said, look, this is what's happening. This update is going to be an amazing one. If you're looking at the roadmap, there's no better time to do it. Okay, because you're going to get 2 courses for the price of 1. So don't delay it. I'll leave a link below this video. Go check it out. Okay, there's a video on inside my thank you page. Go and have a look at the information. And if you've got any questions, drop them below. I'm more than happy to have a conversation with anybody and answer any questions. If I can't answer them here, send me an email and we can engage. We can have a chat. You can even book a call with me. Okay, so that's just basically the update. So basically what you want to take away from this today is roadmap, in my opinion, is the #1 course for beginners. And you've got until August 23rd, 10 PM to purchase this and then also be grandfathered into the brand new course for free, for no extra cost. Okay, you're also going to get my 10K launch guide. And I'll probably also throw in a TikTok guide for you as well, which is another master resale rights course. It's an ebook, but it's an education that you can take to improve your TikTok experience and growth on TikTok, but you can also resell that yourself too for 100% profit. I'll give you that as well. There you go, I've said it. My 10K launch guide and the TikTok training and roadmap, and then you get grandfathered into the brand new course for free. Great opportunity, guys. Leave a comment below. I'll leave the link below. Click there, enter your email address, and I'll hopefully see you on the inside soon.